mga dumayo from Cavite, Quezon Province, Quezon City, Laguna, Manila, NCR. Ayun, lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagmula yung pinakamalayo. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant us into the reservation. Grabe, ito yung pinakamalaking event namin so far. Pang-4 pa lang to, meron pang pang-5, meron pa next year. To be your best friend, Eastside love is living on the West End. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Burn so bright, I wonder what the wave meant. White heat is screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back strong with 50 million answers. The world I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to.
Unang-una gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo nyo dito sa Halitan Volume 4. And also, special thank you sa mga sponsors natin. Dito mabubuo kung wala ka. Also, thank you din sa mga nagpap-up dito and thank you sa lahat ng dumalo. And salamat sa walang hanggang suporta sa ilang taon na nagkaroon ng Halitan. Patuloy tayo lumalaki, patuloy tayo lumalakas, and more events to come.
All on a spaceship persevering. Use my hands for everything but steering. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. Mob shops are happy when they feed you. J-Fox flyers in the treetop. Birds that blow the meaning in the beat. The world I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? Like you, far more shocking than anything.
All I wish is mag-ingat kayo lahat. Good luck sa Blitz Race natin. And ride safe. Ingat.
Isip ko po, gusto ko po talaga manalo, pero sa mga pwedeng mangyari, hindi ko po makokontrol yun. Kasi pwedeng mas lamang po sila sa amin, mahirap po magsalita sila ng tapos eh. Kaya yung nasa isip na lang po, mas ginugusto po namin manalo. Ang i-advise ko is kung nag-aaral ka, mag-focus ka sa pag-aaral, isingit mo lang yung oras sa pagbabike, huwag mo ipilit para hindi ka rin ma-stress. Then, time management lang. Maraming salamat po sa Recta 043 sa pagpapa-event ng gantong event. Sana sa susunod, mas maganda pa at mas lalo pang pagandahin. This life is more than ordinary. Can I get you maybe even 3 of these? Coming from a space to teach you of the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. This life is more than just a read-through.